So, hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena, and today we are going to be making the home page for our graphics and illustrations website design. This will be the home page, and if you want to see the whole tutorial of this, of making this whole website design, then the link is in the description. So, let's get started and make this home page. So, first and foremost, you have to press F and choose a frame for desktop right here, right? And then you have to set the width to 1440 like you see here, and the height should be 2942. Let's move further. Background color for the desktop. After setting the background color, we will set the grid layout. Now you guys might wonder that what is grid. Of course, grid is not we have learned till now. So now you'll be learning what is grid, which is a very fun tool and very useful. So first you guys have to go to the layout grid option that you will be having in your after selecting the desktop that we made just now. You will be having this layout grid option. After selecting the layout grid option, select this grid button and change it to columns. And after changing it to columns, make the count to 12, the color to white as 10%, and the type to center, the width to 75, and the gutter to 15. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repeat all the process, right? First, you have to follow along with me what I'm doing, right? So just see carefully. First, I'm going to click on this plus button, right? So you'll be having these tiny boxes which is not visible for now. Okay, layout grid, click on the layout grid button, then go to this layout grid settings and make this grid to columns, right? And make the count from 5 to 12, which is the common count, right? 12 is the common count and the default count, we can say. And we have the color, so make the color as white fully, right? F6 times for 10%, and make the type for center, and make the width for 75, and make the gutter for 15. Correct? Layout grid is not so difficult thing. It's a normal thing to keep the things properly in an order, right? Now the fourth step we have is to make the nav bar. Now we will put the logo and make the nav bar. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give you a Figma file. You guys have to access it, of course. Let me share it with you all, right? Copy link, and I'm going to give you all. Correct? Here's the Figma file, and in this Figma file you have all the elements. You have the logo, you have all the information, right? So two people have already accessed it, give like taken the access for it. Now you guys have to select the logo for it, right? And keep the logo here. Everybody, I'm not gonna repeat it. Just do it quickly, like as you are quick already. So now you have to put the logo here. See, as we made the grid layout, we have this line here. So stick the logo in the line. This should be the space, right? And to make the nav bar, what we can do is, here's the information for the nav bar. The text size for a nav bar should be 20. The font style is roboto, and the font weight is semi bold. First you guys have to select the T. Here's the T option, and make a text box. Write this, first of all, let me tell you guys that you don't have to put all these things again and again. I'm going to show you guys. Let me delete this nav bar. I'm gonna select this text box here, and I'm gonna write here home, and here is the auto width, right? Just click here. And if you want to copy these things with the same width and height, what we can do is, see, we can click alt here. See, alt, and this will be copied. Click alt again, click alt again, once again, and we are done with it. And stick your elements to the right side grid layout, right? We have this element which should be contact us. Let me do undo for this, and this should be the final result. You if just firstly fill all the information of the nav bar, right? Fill all the information of the nav bar and make the home first, and click alt for 4 times, and write here about us, then services, then blog, then contact us, right? Next step, which is also the most easy step I could say. Now let's put the image of the camera. Okay, so to put the image of the camera, just stick the camera in this grid that we made, the right side. Okay, so stick this camera image to the right side by leaving some spaces. Manjunath is asking how to add your shared images. Okay, you have to select the image and you have to click Control C or Command C, and you have to paste it in your Figma files. It's quite easy, like you can just copy my elements and paste it in your Figma file. Are you done? Are you cleared with the doubt? Okay, now after putting the image of the camera, we have to make this hero title, right? So this should be the hero title. The text says graphics and illustration world. Put this text in your hero title, and here's the information for hero title, which is the text size should be 87, the font style should be outfit, like the font family should be outfit, and the font weight should be bold. And just stick this all to the left side, right? Stick all of these to the left side, and this will be your final look. Now let's put the hero subtitle in it. So I'm gonna copy the text of the hero subtitle. See here is the text for the hero subtitle, and the information is actually not much. The text, let's say the text size is 19, the font is regular white, and the font style is roboto. So now we are moving forward, right? So the next thing we have is to put the button. So basically here is the information of the button. Let me go to all elements. If you see all elements that I've given you, you'll be having this button information. Check that information. In that information, the button, first of all you have to create a rectangle. See, this is the rectangle, and you have to curve the borders, which is with the help of corner radius 100. The corner radius should be 100, so all the borders should be will be curved. And keep this and make a text box, and write here buy now with the outfit font style, with the semi bold, and the size of 20, and the color of black, right?